So ASUS enters the business, enterprise and corporate market for all kind of products, including laptops. We did one last week. We're doing one more just as promised this week. And this one is priced much lower. A real workhorse, incredible number of ports, has a graphic processor different from the actual main processor. Great keyboard. It's got all the kind of stuff that you expect from a business laptop. But it's actually a very powerful little machine. So let's take a look at this, the ASUS P2.
Lately, ASUS has been on a spree of announcements. They have made it clear that their eyes are set on the commercial PC market in India. After all, it makes up for about 40% of the market. We recently reviewed the ASUS B9 ExpertBook laptop, which really impressed us. Today, however, we have another business laptop by ASUS, the ExpertBook P2. With ASUS claiming it to be one of the best business laptops in the market today, we have got some high expectations from it. So does it really live up to its expectations? Stay with us to find out. At the first glance, we have to say, unlike the B9, P2 actually looks the part. What we are trying to say here is that it looks like a business laptop. On holding it for the first time, the thought becomes concrete because there is definitely some weight to it. No surprises there. Since the P2 was developed specifically for enterprise use, which essentially means that we should expect longevity from the laptop, the P2 does not disappoint. The P2 supports an aluminium alloy lid, which makes it a solid product. The P2 actually differs military-grade robustness, which means that the laptop can be used day in and day out. The company claims that the lid has been tested to last over 20,000 times, and that's very impressive. The hinge on the P2 opens up to 180 degrees, which is essentially for a business laptop. We do miss the uplifting hinge here from the B9. The P2 comes with a 14-inch backlit LED panel which has a screen resolution of 1920 by 1200 pixels. The 14-inch panel has been fitted into a 13-inch chassis. The 60Hz anti-glare panel was great and we didn't see any lag whatsoever during our testing. The screen is bright enough to look at it in bright daylight. Now, what is a business laptop without a keyboard to support your heavy-duty typing sessions? It takes some time to adjust to the keyboard on P2, however, once you get used to it, it's a smooth sail from there on. The keypad is backlit and the brightness can be adjusted using shortcuts, which is a great feature to have. You can also adjust the screen brightness, the volume using the keyboard shortcuts. There is also a shortcut for the snipping tool. Packing the complete punch of a business laptop, you see a sense point on the keyboard as well. ASUS has experimented with the trackpad. The push buttons are placed on top of the trackpad, unlike the usual bottom. This might take some time to adjust as well, but it's not a deal breaker for sure. As a professional, video calls do take a large part of your day given the situation. P2 comes with an HD camera that supports recording in 720p quality. It's not the best quality in the market, but it gets the job done. There is a manual shutter on the webcam which can be adjusted by the user, taking care of the privacy concerns. The ASUS ExpertBook P2 with us is powered by the 10th Gen Intel Core i7 processor with 8GB DDR4 RAM and 512GB SSD storage. Running Windows 10 Pro, the ExpertBook P2 also packs the NVIDIA GeForce MX 110 graphic card. Now, the presence of a graphics card doesn't make it a gaming laptop, but yes, you can play some light games on this laptop in between your busy schedule and meetings. Thanks to the latest gen of Intel processors, the ASUS P2 performs blazingly fast and we didn't face any lag in our testing. The connectivity options on P2 are more than useful for 2020 standards. You get a micro SD card reader, USB 2.0, two USB Type-A ports, USB-C ports, and surprisingly both a VGA port and an HDMI port. It's been a while we saw that combo. ASUS P2 is a beast in the battery department. It lasted 9 hours in our testing with heavy to moderate use. The work comprised of mostly emails, writing content, attending video calls, and working on Excels. This is very impressive for its category. We have to nitpick here. We would have felt better if there was some sort of fast charging option, but then again, we are nitpicking. The Asus Expert Book P2 shows that a lot of thought went behind making this product. It checks all the boxes to become a perfect enterprise machine. The variant we have with us costs 96,900 rupees and is an absolute bang for the buck. But don't worry, Asus has multiple variants on offer for the P2 starting at a price of as low as 58,000 rupees.